Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. How are you feeling today? Oh, that's so wonderful to hear. Will you sing a good morning song with me? Make your arms out like this into a circle. Raise them up high and back out in front of you. Here we go. Good morning, dear Earth. Good morning, dear Sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. I hope that you all are having a wonderful morning so far. Let's get started on our calendar and weather chart. The month is still December. Today is the 29th. So let's move our chip from the 28 to the number 29. And the year is 2020, but soon that will be changing. Are you ready to count all of the numbers that we've had in the month of December so far? All right, let me see those counting fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Whew, good job counting, friends. That was a lot of numbers. Today is December 29th, 2020. And look at that. There's only 2 more days left in the month of December. Not only is it going to be another month, a new month soon, it's also going to be a new year soon. Are you ready to sing the Days of the Week song? Here we go. 7 fingers up. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And let's move down here. Do you remember what day it was yesterday? Monday. Very good. That means that today is Tuesday. You're right. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Excellent job, friends. But today's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday all day long. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday all day long. Now let's move back up to the season, all the way up here. Do you remember which season it is? Winter. The season is winter. Oh, and look at that. It's time for our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? At my house, it's another snowy day. Where I live in the winter time, there's a lot of snow. Is that the same at your house? Does it snow a lot in the winter, or do you live in a place where it's sunny and warm all year long? That's so cool to hear. And because it's snowing, that means that the temperature must be cold. The snow wouldn't come if the temperature was warm or hot out. All right, friends, so usually we do the letter or the number of the week, but this is a special week, and each day we've been talking about a different shape. Look at the shape that I have on my board right here. Do you know what shape this is? Let's see. Let's count the sides together. Get out your counting finger. 1, 2, 3. This shape has 3 sides. Do you know what it's called? You're right, it is a triangle. Let's count those sides again. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. And look at this triangle. This triangle has 3 sides that are all the same length. Not every triangle has 3 equal sides. Take a look at this triangle. It still has 3 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. But if you can see, only 2 sides are the same length. These 2 sides are the same, and this side is different. But all triangles have 1, 2, 3 sides. This triangle is called an isosceles triangle. That's a silly word. Can I hear you say that with me? Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has 1, 2 equal sides, and this triangle that has 1, 2, 3 equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. Oh, another silly word. Can you say that with me? Equilateral triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides that are all the same length. Yesterday, we used our eyes to play I Spy and find all different circles. But today, I want you to use your eyes to try and find all different types of triangles. Are you ready to play another game of I Spy? All right, let's go. Our shape of the day is a triangle. Today, you are going to use your eyes to try and find all of the triangles that you see on my work tray. I will give you some hints once the game starts. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I spy with my little eyes 4 triangles. So each time you find a triangle on my work tray, lightly tap the screen or point with your finger. So right now you're looking for 4 triangles. Have you found any yet? Are you ready for your first hint? I spy with my little eyes a triangle that is the color pink. Do you see it now? There it is. Good work, friends. Now you're looking for 3 other triangles. Here is your next hint. I spy with my little eyes a triangle that is the color yellow. Have you found it? Good work. There's the yellow triangle. Now you're using your eyes to find the last 2 triangles. And guess what? They're the same color. Do you notice what color they are? You're right. They're the color blue. Do you spy the last 2 blue triangles? I'll give you a hint. They're close together. Here's one, and there's one. Good work, friends. You used your eyes to find all of the 4 triangles. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time. This week is a special short unit on our 5 senses. Yesterday, we talked about our sense of sight. Do you remember which body part we used for our sense of sight? That's right, we used our eyes. And today we are going to talk about our second sense, our sense of sound. Any idea as to which body part we need for our sense of sound? Yes, your ears. And I have a really exciting science experiment to share with you. But first, you need to turn on your listening ears. Are your listening ears on? Mine are. All right, here we go. Behind me, I have 3 glasses filled with water. I have a green water cup, a blue one, and a red one. And I also have this utensil. This is a cooking utensil called a whisk. A whisk is meant to mix things up, but I'm going to use my whisk to make different sounds. I want to make sure that you use your ears and listen to which sounds each glass is going to make. All right, let's try the green glass. Oh, that sound was a little bit tricky to hear. Let's try the blue glass of water. Did you hear that ding, ding, ding? All right, let's try the red glass. That made a high sound. Let's do that one more time. This time, let's start with the red cup. Ding, ding, ding. Now, let's try the blue one. And the green. Did you notice that the red cup is filled with more water and it made a lower sound, and the blue cup is filled with less water and made a higher sound? That's so interesting. You can do this experiment at your house. All you need are some glasses of water filled with different amounts and something to make a dinging noise with. For today's work, you will need to use your sense of sound again. So make sure to turn on those listening ears. Are yours on? All right, let's see our work tray. For this work tray, you will need a paper towel tube, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, popcorn kernels or some dried beans, 2 rubber bands, and some stickers or markers to decorate. So we don't use paper towels at our house. So instead, my son, who's 3, took 2 rolls from empty toilet paper and we taped it together like this. And then he decorated it with markers and some stickers. You can use anything you want to decorate your tube. And remember, if you don't have paper towels, you can just do what we did and tape 2 toilet paper rolls together instead. So once your tube is decorated like this, we can move on to the next step. We are going to make a rain stick. The sound of the rain can be so comforting. Today, your work is to make a rain stick that can be used during quiet time or in a sensory area. So as you can notice, this work is going to involve quite a few steps. If you don't remember exactly what to do after circle time, you can ask a grown-up to replay the video as you complete each step. So the first thing that you're going to do, like I said before, is take your tube and decorate it with markers, stickers, maybe you have some glitter or feathers. And next, this is a piece of aluminum foil that I had, and I just rolled it and pushed it together until it looked like a snake. So you're going to crumble it up, press it together until it looks like a snake. And you're going to take that piece and fit it inside of your paper towel or toilet paper roll like this. See, now you can't see it anymore. The aluminum foil is inside. So once the aluminum foil is inside, take 1 piece of plastic wrap and we are going to seal up the bottom of the tube like this. Put the flat piece in your hand, take the tube, put it down, fold it up. Now this step is a little bit tricky, so if you need help, just ask a grown-up. Take the rubber band and wrap it around the bottom. There we go, so that the plastic wrap can't fall off. Look, and the bottom of the tube is covered. The next step is to pour in the dried beans or the popcorn kernels. So take the empty side that's open, and you're going to pour it in. Ooh, it sounds like rain already. Pour, pour, pour. Now they're all poured inside, and that aluminum foil snake is used to make the popcorn kernels sound more like rain. So the last step is to take the second piece of plastic wrap, cover it, fold down the sides like this, take your last rubber band and wrap it around like so. Now both ends are sealed. There we go, it's a rain stick. Use your ears to listen to the sound that it makes when I turn the stick from one end to the other. Are you ready? Here it goes. Do you hear that rain sound? Back and forth. Remember, you can always ask a grown-up to help you if you need some extra help with a step. Now let's get back to circle time. Thanks for learning about our sense of sound with me. Do you remember which body part you used today? That's right, those listening ears. We have one more song to sing. Will you sing with me? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.